Welcome back to Rolly's Wheels. Today I'm going to answer a particular request made by one of our viewers, and we're going to be talking about the wheels on my particular Jaguar, which are the 18-inch Asteroid. So if you want to take a little look at them, closer look, let's do that now. So let's take a closer look at the wheels. As I mentioned before, they are the Asteroid alloy wheel. They are 18-inch in diameter, and I have a set of Pirelli P0 tyres on it. The size is 255 40 ZR 18, and they are rated as a 95Y tyre for speed ratings. Very easy to clean, and I think that this particular shape of wheel is based on what we know as the Minilite alloy. Very sporty and very easy, as I say, to clean. And I've got the original Jaguar badge on the hubcap as well, which I prefer. So thank you once again for watching, and if there's anything that anybody wants to know about the wheels or anything else about the Jaguar XJ308R, then please don't hesitate to get in contact with me, and just keep on following my channel. There's plenty more to see, and do remember to subscribe. Thank you very much again.